At this stage of well, actually all stages, interactive toys, that make noise or require them to do things in order to get a treat, etc. I just turned this one on a minute ago. Where's the button? So they could, and that's why they're playing with it there, because it made a noise. And the more variety you can give them, the better. Let's see what this one does. It's kind of hard to do the toys and the pup. They're waiting to see what it's going to do too. Where is it? The buttons are so far buried in these. There we go. From 8 weeks to 5 months, the neurons in their brain are multiplying in direct proportion. I'm going to have to get help with this. To all the new experiences and new people that they meet. And so this kind of thing is very valuable. They're a little afraid because there's something different, but notice they come right back and want them. They want to check them out. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going, Art? Let's see, what else do we have in here? Where's the talking ball? Oh, there it is. I gotta take this out of the package. You like that one the best, don't you? That one's kind of weird, huh? Goes for a long time, too. Everybody's a little intimidated by that one. Even Sarah, Emma doesn't know what to think of that.